Brielle has 23 LOL dolls. Kylie has 38 LOLs. How many dolls do they have in all? Alrighty, so my first step is to make my number sentence. Who can make my number sentence for me? Justin, what do I have to write?
20.
Okay, 20. 3. Okay.
20.
And keep going.
Plus 38.
How did I know this question was addition or plus? How did you know that?
I forgot.
Does anybody else have an idea? How did we know that this question was an addition question? Amar?
Because like the sentence, it has 33, and at the end it says how many do they have in all.
Oh, so we use the words in all to know that it was addition. Okay, so here's my number sentence. 23 plus 38.
Equals.
What is my next step? What do I need to do? Ilya.
Break them apart.
Break them apart into what?
Into
what, Ilya?
pieces.
What kind of pieces?
20.
Okay, so that is my what part of my number?
Tens.
Okay. So 20. And what about this part of the number?
Threes.
Okay, 3 ones. Tamaya, can you break apart 38 for me? 30 in my tens. Okay. 8 in my ones. Beautiful. Okay, what is my next step? Alex. Okay, add my tens together. So I have 20 plus 30. Who can tell me what that makes? Aaliyah. 50. How did you figure out 50? How did you know? You counted by tens. That's an excellent strategy. Now we're going to put together our ones. So 3 plus 8. Who can solve that? 3 plus 8. Chloe.
11.
Awesome. How did you figure that out?
There's 8 that I counted on.
You counted on from 8. That's an awesome strategy. The strategy that I used in my head was friends of 10 plus 1.
I know.
All right. So I'm going to draw my tens and my ones. So I have 2 tens rods and 3 ones blocks. And I have 3 tens rods and 38 and 8 ones blocks. That's a lot. Okay. So now I have 50 in my tens and 11 in my ones. What do I need to do? Brielle? You forgot? Amar?
Write the answer.
We need to. How would I write this answer?
You put everything back together.
Okay, how would I put 50 and 11 together?
It would be 51.
Not quite. Not quite. O and W.
61.
How do you know 61? How did you figure that out?
Because there's 11, and then there's 50, and then there's one more.
Okay. So another way we could look at that is we could trade in some of these ones, right? How many ones could we trade in to make another tens rod? Who knows that? Brooklyn. How many ones blocks do you need to make a tens rod? How many ones are in a tens rod?
10.
10. So if I take 10 of these ones, it'll help me figure out my answer. So here's 8 and 2 more will give me another tens rod. So let's count up my tens rods. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and one more. 61. There we are. That was us regrouping. We had a ton of units or ones, and we're able to trade them in and make another tens rod. 61. Beautiful work.